Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Animal Crossing New Horizons. You'll start your adventure on a deserted island, accompanied by two friendly animal villagers. Your initial steps involve setting up your very own tent and beginning to explore your new surroundings. Focus on gathering vital resources such as wood, stone, and various fruits. These materials are crucial for crafting your first set of essential tools, which will help you progress. Don't forget to work towards paying off your initial Nook Miles loan to Tom Nook, a key early game objective. Every day in Animal Crossing, New Horizons offers a wealth of activities to enjoy. Spend your time fishing in the rivers and ocean, catching various bugs, and digging up valuable fossils to donate to the museum. You can significantly enhance your island's beauty by planting a diverse array of trees and colorful flowers. As you progress, you'll have the opportunity to upgrade your home, expanding its size and unlocking many new crafting recipes. Furthermore, you can invite up to 8 additional animal villagers to join your community, enriching your island's population. Personalizing your island is a core aspect of the game. Once you unlock terraforming, you gain the power to reshape your island's landscape, adding or removing rivers and cliffs. Express your creativity by decorating both your home's interior and your outdoor spaces with a vast selection of furniture and items. You can even create unique custom designs for clothing, flags, and pathways, making your island truly one of a kind. Don't forget to visit your friends' islands online to trade items and share inspiration. Animal Crossing New Horizons offers many long-term goals to keep you engaged. Strive to achieve a 5-star island rating by meticulously improving its aesthetics and amenities. Dedicate yourself to completing your museum's extensive collection of fish, bugs, and fossils, a rewarding endeavor. Throughout the year, participate in various seasonal events and holiday celebrations, which bring unique items and activities. Ultimately, the game provides a wonderfully relaxed and open-ended experience, allowing you to play at your own pace and enjoy island life.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.